The Resell Rights Goldmine. Other than creating your own products in order to join the herds of increasing business online crowd, there are also other easier ways to have an immediate internet business established. So what do you need in order to join the resell rights business? It is very easy, really mean it, which is to have a domain name, able to get one easily from Yahoo for $2.99 or Namecheap for $8.88. It depends on which you prefer, a hosting, most preferably a paid one, important, and a fully functional website. There are tons of hosting out there, and to name a few, mid-phase free domain name, Lunar Pages free domain name as well, Bluehost, or GoDaddy are the better ones. These are almost the basic requirements of a successful affiliate, but don't be mistaken, affiliates and resellers are different. Affiliates don't need to have any other startup costs other than the basic requirements above, but resellers, yes. Resellers will need to purchase the rights to a product owned by the other people, but they can resell the products and keep 100% of the profits instead. For affiliates, they only receive a percentage of commissions from their sales. Usually, purchasing the rights to resell a certain product can cost 3, 5 or even 10 times more than its normal price. The few stages of resell rights. Basic resell rights, you can sell the product, but not your customers. Master resell rights, when you have a master resell rights product for sale, you can resell it to your customers, and so can they with the same product. This means that when you purchase a master resell right, your customers get to sell the same item as well. Private label rights, these are really popular. Why is it so? If you purchase a private label right of a product, you get to change the contents of the product any ways you want, produce it under your name, anything. Basically, you can treat it as though it's your production. Prices for a private label right is much higher than any other rights. Of course, everyone knows it's common sense. Giveaway rights, as clear as it sounds, you may give away the product to anyone you want. Instead, you can't sell or edit the product in any ways. Usually giveaway rights works well with viral marketing, people give their work out for publicity. Rebranding rights. This product works almost the same as a product with giveaway rights, but you are able to edit part of the contents to benefit yourself on publicity as well. Most probably, you can only edit the sponsored names, website URL and affiliate links. How can you profit from a resell rights business at its peak? You definitely need your opt-in lists. In fact, the most important thing for an internet marketer is his or her lists of subscribers. Some internet marketers who own 100,000 to 200,000 subscribers, also called leads, doesn't even need to actually work anymore. What they do every day is just providing their subscribers or leads with some useful information, real-life news, stories, and build a closer relationship with them. When they found a good product or item, easily they can send an email out and endorse it, earning commissions through the affiliate links. Well, as for a reseller, you do the same, but a little bit different. When there are products that you think is interesting and is worth to be told to your subscribers, you purchase the resell rights to it and usually, sell them to your subscribers at a better offer. Most internet marketers will usually purchase much more resell rights to the other products than combine them together, selling all of them at a cheaper price in a bundle. Sometimes the price can even be more expensive for up to 10 times if you purchase them separately. That is why tons of people would rather purchase the products from resellers in a bulk. Nevertheless, it is not always a must to sell all of them together. Many resell rights have the same looks and same sales page, and you can change that. By writing your own or hiring a copywriter to craft a much more compelling sales copy for the resell product, you can increase the response a lot more. As for digital products like eBooks or software, you can design a whole new ebook cover or software box instead of using the given one that comes with the resell rights. As the saying goes in the Valley of the Blind, the one with an eye is the king. 727 words. Now, being a reseller is really sometimes easier than anything. When new resell rights which seems attractive are being sold, people will just need to purchase the rights to them, compile them, and next ready to be sold in a single sales copy. Search for joint venture partners, offer them a higher percentage in commissions, request them to endorse your offer, and that's it. Being any internet marketer, it is always better to take hold of every opportunity you can earn money with. When you successfully sell a product to a customer, try and sell him or her another product right on your thank you page. Basically, the idea is, since you're my customer and you purchased a product from me, here's a great offer specially for you at an incredible special price. It's a very good way of having a back-end sale. That's not all. To urge customers into pulling out their credit cards for the thank you page item, most internet marketers will also make it a one-time offer. This will be shown only one time, you won't see it again. If the customers are interested, they'll get it; if not, there's no harm at all. There are many ideas of earning money as a reseller, and you can always apply it for your own. The internet business market is so huge that you can choose from these varieties of business styles that suits yourself. From starting your own internet business, selling your own product, earning commissions from affiliate programs, and being a reseller, make the best decision for yourself and get started.